Now, newsman Dennis Daly presents his unique look at current events in another of his wide-ranging daily video blogs.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. I just realized I was kind of remiss yesterday. I didn't mention that it was 11/12/13, November 12th, 2013. There won't be a sequence like that again, I guess, until 12/13/14. Then we're out of luck, because you see, there is no 13th month. There can't be a 13, 14, 15. I'm not really good at numbers anyway. Something really funky happened to me when I took my SAT test prior to going to college. I remember having a migraine headache, and we went down to Evansville, Indiana, and it was pouring down rain, and I just guessed at everything. Now, how I did so well, I don't know. I think I scored a 94 or something. When I got to college, I remember I had a counselor who looked at me and said, "You have incredible potential, but you appear to be squandering your potential." Well, back then, of course, age 18, I went, "Oh, I'm sorry." In retrospect, I should have looked the guy in the eye and said, "Leave my potential alone. I'll squander it if I want to. It's my possession." Anyway, that's the problem with tests, you know. Sometimes you don't want to do that well. I couldn't do that again if I tried. I'm Dennis Daly with your Daily News Update.